Why is trying to be a Proverb 31 woman toxic to the soul? So many struggle with spirituality because they've been taught to live and help everyone else before themselves. This is especially true for women. I don't know how many times I've heard stories of women that lose relationships and tear their families apart because they do for the church before they do for themselves and their family. That's not spirituality. Let me say this with no uncertain terms. If you do anything because of guilt or feelings of being obligated, then you're living through negative vibrational experiences that are diametrically opposed to you elevating as a soul and toxic. Guilt and obligation are on the same spectrum of vibration as fear. Those frequencies separate you from living spiritually whole and consciously elevated. It's the opposite vibration of your soul essence. When you feel guilt and obligation, you're going against your soul's vibration. When it doesn't feel joyful, it is toxic. Christianity taught us that we are supposed to sacrifice ourselves for the good of others like Jesus did. But when you understand the universal laws and how they work, then negative emotions like these are anti-growth consciousness. When you do things for others, it should be with an attitude of gratitude. It should be you being grateful that you have the ability to help another human being in their time of need because you're able. That's a different feeling than doing it because you feel guilty or because you're supposed to. There are so many negative concepts that we're taught religiously that cause harm and misery to ourselves. It's not selfish to take care of you. It's prudent to do so. My sisters, you've been taught and made to feel guilty about taking care of yourself before your family. But how many of you end up... Hey family, Reginald Martin here. Are you ready to transcend beyond the ordinary? To dive headfirst into advanced metaphysical concepts that can revolutionize your life? If so, Kametaphysics awaits you. This isn't merely a regurgitation of information. It's an invitation to explore uncharted territories of self-discovery and personal growth from the metaphysical or soul level. Each week, you'll receive fresh content designed to expand your horizons and empower you to apply profound metaphysical principles to your everyday life. But that's not all. As part of our private monthly community Q&A sessions, you'll have the chance to address real-life challenges head-on. You'll be able to ask questions, gain insights, and work through the trials and tribulations of life alongside like-minded individuals on the same journey. So, are you ready to embark on this transformational journey? To overcome religious trauma, negative programming, and societal pressures? To live authentically, understand and manage your emotions better, and prioritize your mental and physical well-being? Join us at Kametaphysics, where together we'll foster a sense of community and mutual support in this exciting journey of self-discovery and personal growth. If this sounds like something that would inspire you and empower you, the class will be opening soon. You can get on the wait list and be notified when the doors open. So go to www.kametaphysics.com. That's Ka plus metaphysics.com. Depressed, burnt out, and families torn apart for serving the church and others before taking care of yourself. It's because you were taught to live in an adversarial position to your own being. When you read the scriptures on a Proverb 31 woman, it's mostly about all the things she does for others. Not much is about taking care of herself, mind, body, and soul. But when a woman can see herself as a soul having a human experience, then she can operate through the ancient Kemetic spiritual science. When she does, she'll be better able to discern what she needs to do for herself when she has the knowledge of self. It should never be living in a life in relation to her mate in a way that her needs are pushed to the side and forgotten. You should take care of you, and your family will get a better human being all the way around. As a soul, you will gain the wisdom to positively impact your life and others. If you've been operating in that sacrificial, proverbial 31 woman state and begin to change it, those around you will not approve of it. That's because they are used to you looking out for them and benefiting them at your expense. It upsets the dynamic that was working for them. But once you have an expectation that you matter and are worthy of having your needs matter just as much as theirs, it will rock the boat in a major way. So get ready for guilt trips that others will try to lay at your feet. The truth is, you will be more mentally happy and complete when you can take care of you. The same goes for any man. Do for others from a place of gratitude and giving, not guilt and obligation. One of my favorite analogies to help people understand this concept is what you do when an airplane depressurizes and the oxygen mask drops down. They tell you if you have children with you, put the mask on yourself first. Why? Because if you black out trying to help them first, then you will both perish. Take care of yourself, then you can help someone else. This is what you must apply to your spiritual journey. Take care of yourself, then you can try and help others. Fall in love with taking care of yourself, then you can feel free and fulfilled when helping others. It's not wrong to take care of you. Rewiring your mind for success and fulfillment is a major key to evolving consciously on this journey. My sisters, you are worthy to live life happy and fulfilled in your own right and on your own terms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone that may be expanded and uplifted by it.